Pointillism is a technique that artists use to create value in a drawing by placing dots of color next to each other. When you combine red dots with blue dots, you create the color purple when seen from far away. Today we will be drawing a frog using this technique. So to draw a frog, you start with an oval shape in the middle of your paper and add lines for the upper and lower parts of the arms and upper and lower parts of the legs. Also include big feet for swimming and jumping. Next, you're going to draw oval shapes around each of those lines that you've created for the arms and legs to give form to the frog and also add some three-dimensionality. Erase the inside lines inside the arms and legs of the frog, and then you can begin by adding dots of color. I used markers, but you can also use pens, colored pencils, watercolors, whatever materials you have available. And when you're doing this, you want to add dots of color of a darker color to the areas of shadow in order to create the illusion of depth. So that's why I chose yellow to start with, and then I went slightly darker with orange, and then slightly darker with red, and then finally the last color that I used to finish off those values was purple. And then at the very end of the drawing I outlined it in black pen, and I went over it and I had a nice frog drawing made with pointillism dots. So if you don't have colors, you can also use pen or pencil to make your dots, and instead of focusing on using different colors to create the different values, you'll focus on creating areas of density with the dots. So the closer you put your dots together, the darker the shapes on your frog are going to look. So when you add dots to the areas in your frog that need shadow, that will help to create an illusion of depth in your drawing. Don't worry about how these look, just try your best and have fun with them.